Welcome to Cigars with M. Today's topic is how to use a punch bracelet. A punch bracelet is a cigar accessory that serves a dual purpose. The first purpose is a fashionable bracelet that adds more style to your outfit. The second purpose is a clear, sharp cut of a cigar punch. Take the bracelet out of the bag. It is recommended that you keep the bag as a housing place for your bracelet after use. Twist the middle bar in the middle of the bracelet. Once you open it, you will notice that the bracelet has one side of a pointed punch. This is the side that goes inside of your cigar. Grab a cigar from your humidor. Use the pointed punch to punch the head of your cigar. Be sure to apply a little bit of pressure to punch your cigar. Once you've punched your cigar, you notice that there is a clean, deep cut. In order to remove the tobacco from your bracelet, use the tool provided for you in the box. Punch the tobacco and it comes out.